Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday, happy meal prep day. I'm hoping everybody has an awesome day and an awesome week. I'm just jumping on quick. My next live meal prepping will be next Sunday, the 29th. I thought I'd do some fun little Halloween stuff again. So actually, yeah, I'm going to, and I'm going to dress up a little bit, probably similar to what I did last Halloween, but that's just what I have. But if you dress up for Halloween, I would love to see the pictures in the group if you want to post it that day. And then maybe we'll do a little raffle to see, who might win something as a little gift for, participating. So yeah, I'll post about that after. That was just the thought that came to my head right this second. So yes, this week I don't have a lot of meal prepping. I have stuff already kind of made because yesterday I made some rotisserie chicken in our round steamer in the microwave to make like New York hoagie kind of thing. I know that they barbecue it or bake it or something, but I just kind of just did chicken thighs, rotisserie, round steamer, 10 minutes, and then threw it into a bun, and away we go. So that was that. So tomorrow night I'm out. Tuesday is Kathy's cooking class, live in her Facebook group. So if you want to come join us and see what I'm going to make, I don't know what I'm going to make yet. I'm going to ask Kathy if she has something she wants me to make. If not, then I will just be whatever is vibing that day, and we'll go with it. As we know, I fly by the seat of pants on some things, or other things I plan to the absolute minute. But there's lots of things where you just want to go with it. And that's the cool thing about Epicure. It's just kind of, you can go with it or you can plan it. It works either way. And then Wednesday, I'm at Holland's Homes in Brampton again for a vendor event. I think it's open for people to come just stop into. I think we're inside. I don't remember. But yes. And then they have a Christmas one November 18th, which team member Katrina is going to be there for me because I will be away. So that's pretty awesome. And then I think that's my last vendor event until I go away. So I have lots of time up till then for cooking classes and stuff. I do have to run to Montreal the week before we go away for meeting my new bosses for my day job. So in case you didn't know, I work for Freedom Mobile on the construction side. So I PMO that, which is why I'm really good at doing all this because I'm a project manager. So we got new bosses, Quebecor, and so I'll go to Montreal to meet the other half, the Videotron people. So yeah, so that's kind of my plan for the next little bit. So yeah, those are what's going on. So as I got chicken for a little bit, figuring out what we're going to do for Kathy's thing, and then I will figure out what we're going to do for Thursday night dinner, and go from there. So that's kind of it. Nothing too intense with meal planning today. Just a reminder about a couple of specials. So the end of the shipping special is tonight. So recommend you grabbing your orders today if you're interested in the free shipping that's over $100 plus, or interested in the over 60, so 60 to 100, it's $5.95. So it's a few dollars off. So if you're interested in that, I would grab it. And the Taste of the Season collection that's also discounted is available for 2 weeks, so you have more time on that one. But if you want, you grab that as well. And that is one of each of our new season products. So the candied yams, ratatouille, pancakes, Côte de Vin, chicken and wine, beef dip, and the fudgy brownies. So you get one of each. So you can give them a try, see which ones is going to be your new favorite. And then another time you could order more, or whatever it is that you want. Or you can just buy whichever one you think you want of the package and just get the 3 or the 2 or whatever it comes in. Fudgy brownies comes in 2s, pancakes and everything else comes in 3s. So you get the usual 3 ones. That's all you can do. Like that. All these ones. I'm out of beef dip, or not beef dip. I'm out of the fudgy brownies, of course. So yeah, so those what you get plus the fudgy brownies. So yeah, and I believe it's $26 and $23 for US and $26 for Canadian. but I've forgotten. My brain isn't the greatest this morning. You can still get the Modern Mac. It's still available. This is our vegan Modern Mac one. It's still there. There's last chance items are still there as well. And gift with purchase is there, and it's the pulled chicken. So spend over 60, you get the pulled chicken. And if you do that today, you'll get the pulled chicken and the discounted shipping and all that. So yeah, so there you go. Don't forget you can host if you're interested in getting free goodies that way. I do have some time for those. The special that's in November, I've shown you guys before, but it is our cold pressed olive oil, which is awesome. I love this stuff. I stock up on it. I still have one more in the cupboard, but I'll be stocking up on more of it. And it comes with a jar of Rashata. There we go. That's what that comes with. And so hosts get that at a discount, and it's exclusive to hosts. So if you want that, you will need to have your own cooking class event. And then tomorrow night is the last day for the discounted Joining Access Pass, which is $24.95 instead of the $49.95. So if you were thinking about being your own ambassador, it's a good time to jump in, come check what it's all about. And we're pretty flexible in making it easier, as easy as we can. And we're still in that transition of trying to see how we can make this easy for everyone. So if you're just here, like a few of my team members are just to offset their grocery bill because they love Epicure and want more of it, they use their discount 20%, which is basically get paid. You get that 20% back in a paycheck on Friday, which is pretty cool because then all of a sudden there's money in your account. And you're like, where did that come from? Oh, that's right. I bought Epicure. Woohoo. There you go. And that's that one. Or you could share with some family and friends, or you could turn it into a digital business, or you can grow it to become, like me, a leader, or even global leader. Keep going, whatever goes to your fancy. But we are pretty flexible with all that. We have different ways for you to make money. Fundraising. Don't forget, we have a really cool fundraising thing as well. So yeah, so there you go. So it's like the weekend of specials. There's lots going on, as I said. So customer specials, hosting specials, joining specials, you name it. So reach out if you have questions about any of it. I'd love to chat and just see how it fits with you. So yeah, otherwise have a happy Sunday. And again, of course, don't forget to reach out if you have any questions about meal planning, prepping, Epicure in particular, about a product or anything. I'm here for you and all that. Otherwise, have a happy Sunday. And I hope to hear from you. And yeah, have a great day. Oh, don't forget, look at these. Can you see them? Those are cute. They're cute little cat Color Street nails from Kathy. So cute, huh? Okay, talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.